For Power BI administrators, ensuring all the team members have the same level of permissions isn't always simple. It requires juggling between dozens of workspaces one by one. But with AssistBI's User tab, it can be done in just 4 clicks. First, we need to select Manage Access and then the User tab. Select the desired team members from the drop-down to compare their access levels in a board view. Each user is color-coded for easy distinction among workspaces. And if there are any inconsistencies, such as a workspace not being assigned to a user, we can just simply click on the workspace, add the missing user, and then submit, making instant addition of the user to the workspace. For the workspaces with role mismatch, we can follow the same simple steps to give consistent access across all the workspaces, making Power BI admin's job simplified.